and we're on our way to the Kennedy Space Center. It's the touristic area that you could go visit of NASA. It's the first time I'm going. From where I live, it's like a 40-minute drive, so it's not in Orlando, but if you're in Orlando, it's an Orlando thing you can come and do. I wanted to show you guys this thing that I made. So I saw the story of the candy cane, and I thought it was really, really interesting, and I thought it was a really nice way to spread the gospel on Christmas Eve. So I went and got candy canes, and then I grabbed a whole bunch of information online, and then I wrote like a story on the history on the candy cane. So let me read it to you. It says, candy canes represent Jesus Christ. Candy canes are created by a Christian candy maker to help spread the gospel. The candy cane flipped upside down is a letter J for Jesus. The red stripes represent the blood of Christ he shed when he was crucified to redeem us from our sins. The white stripes represent the purity of the birth of the holy, sinless Jesus. The candy cane shape also represents a shepherd's staff because shepherds witnessed the birth of Jesus of Nazareth. It's a hard candy to represent the firmness of God's promise. We celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ the Messiah. That's why the holiday is called Christmas, but you know how Christmas is spelled Christ Mass? Jesus is the reason for the season. Christmas is a merry season because of all the love God has towards each and every one of us. I wish you and your family and your loved ones a very Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year. Look, it's in a really pretty bag. The lady was super nice and she gave us 4 souvenir pins I'm so gonna wear. Look at this. That's the Galileo. That's a James Webb telescope. Look at how many cars are parked. I love palm trees because palm trees remind me of home. Florida is home. I hope you guys like watching my vlogs so that you guys get to see more of Orlando. That's the Megalon. Look at how beautiful that is. That's John F. Kennedy. Guys, look at this. The Heroes and Legends United States Astronaut Hall of Fame. Look at these rockets. I don't know if they're real or if they're just replicas, but the fact that they look really cool is really cool. I'm not really that into heights. I like roller coasters, but like walking from heights, I'm not the biggest fan. See what's in here. It was a very short wait, guys. We literally just waited like probably like 5 minutes. Look how pretty.
Should you need to leave the presentation for any reason, we kindly ask that you exit using the doors located at the rear of the theater. As a was a hero of mine.
Because he protects me when my brother tries to beat me up. A hero is someone I respect, like my mom. And then she leaves me.
If you guys watch Inspiration 4, you'll notice that they chose the 4 first humans that are non-astronauts to go to orbit based on their personality. I wouldn't know how to explain this word, like, you know, their personality, how they would be described as a person. So what I'm seeing right now is I want to assume that people, when they go to space, it's because they're chosen based on their personality in a way.
Left at the side.
Mr. Apollo and his crew.
He said, why don't you
The astronaut. The heroic spirit of these astronauts lives on in you. Their stories tell the story of humanity embracing the legendary in all of us. James Lovell, the United States Astronaut Hall of Fame. The modern ones. These are the 2020 ones. Okay, Scott Kelly, Pamela A. Melroy, 2020, Michael E. Lopez, Algra. Okay. Gators. We're gonna ride this bus. The bus is gonna take us to the Apollo Saturn V Center. It's included with the admission. And we have a whole bunch of leg space.
As you enter, please move all the way to the front of the theater to make room for the guests behind you. Our presentation will begin shortly.
Guys, it's shaking. That's how it felt like when the rocket took off. Like the building is literally shaking, guys. I can't believe that's how it felt like when the rocket. Oh my god. That's exactly how it looked like when Apollo landed on the moon.
T-minus 3 minutes and
Minus 3 minutes before he landed.
we've completed our
The rocket
communications checks.
took
We've
off to
all
space.
astronauts in the cabin and the
You
communications
see?
are go.
It says 2 minutes 45 seconds.
During this period, once we do get the firing command, the various tanks within the 3 stages in Saturn V launch vehicle begin to pressurize. We have firing command. The firing command is in right now on the automatic sequence. 2 minutes, 20 seconds.
Guys, look at how huge this is. This is bigger than an airplane, I think. Yeah, this is bigger than an airplane, guys. Just look at that. I didn't even notice. That's how big it is.
We are go for launch from the visitor complex launch pad. Sequences 4 steps on those magazine power targets. Come on, team. Every step counts.
Mars rovers. Let's look at the Mars rovers, guys. Imagine being really lucky one day and being able to ride a rover on Mars. These look like really cool RVs, like really cool dirt bikes. Whoa, these are huge. I thought they were small. I'm like, what? They're huge, guys. This is like bigger than a car. I've never. This is like 5 cars. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Guys, look, I'm inside a rocket ship. I'm on the moon. I made it to the moon. Look at this outfit. It's a two-tone linen bustle dress and straw hat from the 1880s.
Says, working together beneath NASA's towering technology lies a unique refugee created by the cooperative efforts of 3 federal agencies. I'm going to close it up so that way you guys can read it. Why do rockets alter Florida? On the East Coast, the location is desirable because rockets leaving Earth's surface and traveling eastward get a boost from Earth's bed. The West Coast location would either send rockets over highly populated areas or have contended launching against the direction of the spin. Florida's Space Coast was born with the launch of the rocket called the Bumper 8 on July 24, 1950, from what was then called the Long Bridge, providing ground base on Cape